Hello everyone, my name is Danushka and welcome back to my channel. So this is the second part of the 1950s inspired makeup look. If you haven't seen the first one, the link is given in the description box. I am going to use machine today. If you want me to do without machine, comment down below. So first of all, comb your hair well. I prefer dry hair over wet hair because wet hair is not ideal for curling your hair with machine. Start off by sectioning and curling your hair. So you're gonna section and part your hair wherever you want. I like side hair for myself so it doesn't look silly, and follow the same thing with the other part separating the section. Now you're going to take the front part of your hair about 3 inches from your hairline all the way to the ears, and follow the same thing with the other part separating the sections. Now take the front part of hair and section into 3 parts. Pin up the side parts and start curling your most front part. Don't go all the way up to the hairline. Secure with Bobypin. Take the other part and repeat the same procedure. Take out the curl. Comb your hair with brush. This is the essential part to make your hair look naturally curly. Secure your hair using hairspray. I'm using Gatsby hairspray, and don't forget to comb your hair baby hair. I hope you all liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe.